Greetings of the day. I am Krishangi Kashyap, Assistant Professor, Humanities and Social Science Department, Psychology Program, Assam Downtown University. Today we are going to discuss on one of our practicals, which is Perceived Stress Scale by Sheldon Cohen. The Perceived Stress Scale is one of the most widely used psychological instruments for measuring the perception of stress. It is measured for the degree to which situations in one's life are appraised as stressful. The tool, which originally was developed in the year 1983, remains a popular choice of helping and understanding how different situations affect our feelings and our perceived stress. The question is in the scale asked about our feelings and thoughts during the last 1 month. Items were designed to tap how unpredictable, uncontrollable, and overloaded respondents find their lives. The scale also includes a number of direct queries about current level of experienced stress. The items are easy to understand and the response alternatives are simple to grasp. Moreover, the questions are of a great nature and hence are relatively free from content specific to any subpopulation group. Therefore, we can say that it can be used among a variety of population. In each case, respondents are asked how often they felt in a certain way. Now, coming to the questionnaire, we can see that there are 10 questions in the questionnaire along with their responses. The responses stating from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 have respective values. 0 state for never, 1 state for almost never, 2 state for sometimes, 3 states for fairly often and 4 states for very often. After the respondent have responded to our questionnaire, there comes the scoring. The scoring is very simple, as here if the respondent have stated 4, he or she will get a score of 4. If they have responded as 3, they will get a score of 3. If they have responded as 2, they will get a score of 2. And if they had stated 1, they will get a score of 1. If they had stated 0, they will get a point of 0. But for the question number 4, 5, 7 and 8, these 4 questions comprises of a reverse score. That is, if he or she have responded as 4, he will get a point of 0. If they have responded as 3, he will get a point of 1. If they have responded as 2, they will get a score of 2. If they have responded as 1, they will get a score of 3. If they have responded 0, they will get a score of 4. Here, after doing this, we calculate the total score of the respondent. The total score then states us at what level the respondent falls. Therefore, when we see an respondent falling from the scale of 0 to 30, we can say that he or she is considered to be on the lower level of stress. If the person falls from 14 to 26, he or she can be considered as a moderate level of stress. If he or she falls under 27 to 40, he or she can be considered to have a high perceived stress. Now, perceived stress scale is interesting and important because one's perception of what is happening in our own life is most important, and through this scale we can measure them, considering the idea that two individuals could have the exact same events and experience in their life for the past 1 month. The level of score can be differ from one to another depending on their perception. The total score could put one of those individuals in the low stress category, and the total score could put the second person in the high stress category. I have also shared a link for the further references, so you all can check this reference and can be cleared with whatever doubt you have. That was all for today. Thank you.